In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a parallax effect on Wix Studio. This feature can add a dynamic touch to your websites, engaging visitors with stunning visual effects. Let's dive in and see how it's done. To get started, head over to Wix Studio, the robust web platform designed specifically for agencies and enterprises. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the login button prominently displayed on the site. If you're not already signed in, you can streamline this process by clicking on Continue with Google, assuming your account is linked. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do within the editor is to add a new cell, which serves as a container for various elements. Click on the Add Cell button. Once you've done that, a new cell will appear in your workspace, ready to be customized. Next, to make sure your newly added cell is positioned correctly, choose the option labeled To Right. This ensures that your setup maintains a visually appealing layout. Now you might notice the plus icon appearing within the cell. Click it. This action triggers a menu of elements you can add to your project. Here, focus on adding an image, as this forms the basis of our parallax effect. Choose the image option from the available selections. Once your image is inserted, it's essential to adjust its size and position. Take a moment to ensure it fits well within your design concept. If the default image doesn't quite match your vision, you can easily change it. Click on the image to reveal options for either uploading a new image or selecting one from the gallery of free images provided by Wix. After adjusting your image as needed, click on the update button to save these changes. It's always good practice to ensure your changes are saved regularly to prevent any unintended loss of work. To move forward with the animation aspect, locate and click on the animation icon. This icon allows you access to a variety of movement-based effects for your image. From the resulting options, select scroll. This type of animation will enable the parallax effect, creating a smooth, dynamic motion as users navigate your site. Next, click on Add, then select the cell option to identify the image you want to animate. Finally, look for the parallax option and select it. This final step applies the parallax effect to the selected image, resulting in a professional and eye-catching effect. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a parallax effect to your Wix Studio project. This powerful visual effect can significantly enhance the user experience on your site, making it more interactive and attractive to visitors. Be sure to experiment and tweak settings to find the perfect fit for your overall design. Thank you for watching and happy designing.